Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. Saying I don't want can work, because it's what's behind the words. It's what that means to you. If I say I don't want kids, I see myself without kids. If I say I want a long-term relationship, but I don't want kids, or I want a girlfriend who doesn't want kids, that works. Why? Because it's not the words, it's what's behind the words. And what's behind it is the having of no kids. I could change it to I want a girlfriend with no baggage, or who wants what I do, thinks and feels the same way about kids as I do. I could do that, but myself knows myself and what I'm implying or meaning by things. If I say I want a girlfriend who doesn't want kids, that implies the end result, the having of no kids. And that has worked. I've seen this work in another way. I've had plans to go somewhere with a friend, and I just wasn't feeling up to it. I said in my head, I don't want to go anymore. And then they texted me and canceled on me seconds later. So why worked? Because I said what I wanted and knew what it implied and meant for me. But words doesn't, or don't, didn't matter because it's what is behind the words and what it does or means to you. The secret or core of manifesting is to feel you have it, the having of it. So regardless of the words you use, find a way to feel the having of what you want. I don't want work today to be long and boring. What do you see in your mind from that? Do you see or feel it then as going by fast? Then it would work. Or do you see by saying that your day being long and dragged out? Then it wouldn't work. You could say I want my day at work to go by super fast. Or, for example, I don't want him to talk to other girls. What does that imply or mean to you or make you picture? Just them talking to you? Then it works because it's the having of it, the having of him just only talking to you. So don't be stuck on the words you're using. Say what you want and feel the having of that thing that you want. You could say, I want him to only want me. I want him to only be into me. But is that how you talk? And is that natural for you? Do you picture him talking to others or just you then? What words make you see just you? It's just in some cases of what you want, it's hard to find a natural way to say the thing's opposite. Like for me, finding an opposite to doesn't want kids or doesn't want tons of animals kept giving me results with those things. So I say it regardless of the words and just use the words I want that make me know or see or imply the having of my end, wanted desire. Use how you normally talk and speak of what things you're implying or meaning. Use the core story from my videos that says, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want, and the thing you want. So if I said, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want a girlfriend who doesn't want kids. I want a girlfriend who thinks and feels the same way about kids as I do. I want a girlfriend who wants freedom and travel and to focus on us like I do. If you examine that, I want a girlfriend who doesn't want kids implies the having of no kids. Manifesting is seeing or feeling or knowing the having of something. Then I get the end results of me and a happy partner with no kids. If you had plans to go out, but then you didn't feel like going anymore, you'd say, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want to stay home tonight. I don't want to go anymore. You can mix both of them and it can still work. But see how the end thing I see, feel, and know, or want, is the having of staying home. So then staying home manifests. Comment below. Say hi. Have any questions for me? Be sure to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.